Hello, my name is Nirbhay and I'm here to teach you Adobe Illustrator for fashion design. A lot of people have problem creating the fashion illustration, especially the eye area. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to trace a image, existing image from internet, and we will be able to create the eyes using pen tool in detail. So I would like to request you to kindly like, share, and subscribe if you like my video, and kindly get updated with the new videos. Thanks a lot. And the next thing I'm going to do is to make the eyebrows. So I'm going to take the pen tool again, and I'm going to draw the shape, the basic shape of this. And then I'm going to click here, make the shape, and I'm going to fill black color into it like this. And then I'm going to give the eyebrows, the I'm going to use the art brush again. I'm taking the brush and then I'm clicking this art brush again, and I'm going to use it like this. Sorry, bit for brush. Opacity should be 100%, not for the image. Control minus. I'm going to reduce the opacity by mistakenly. The opacity came to 100%. Zoom it again. I'm going to use the brush, not like this. This step you have to do very carefully. You have to manually use the hairbrush as it shows in the image like this. I'm going to okay like this. Yep. So our eyebrow is ready. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to do the eyes area. So I'm going to start with the zoom it first and then start with the dark area. I'm just going to fill it into black color. The shape is not right. I'm going to correct the shape, make it smooth, curve. Yep. And then I'm going to use the art brush again, and I'm going to increase the stroke by 2 point, and art brush again, and I'm going to increase the weight by 2 points, but not for this one. Opacity should be 100%. Undo. 2 point is I think I should go stick with 1 point. And then I'm going to make the eyebrow eyelashes. And then I'm going to make this another black shade on top of eyebrow. I'm going to remove the stroke color, and then I'm going to make this line as it shows in the MS. It is something like this. And then I'm going to fill black color into it. Yep, I think the shape here is not right. I'm going to make it slightly more curve. Okay, now I'm going to make this below dark area. So I'm going to take pen tool again. I'm going to remove the stroke, no fill, no stroke, and I'm going to draw something like this, uh, a curve shape like this. And then I'm going to draw a shape like this. I'll come till here and I'll make a shape like this, and I'm going to fill black color into it. Okay, and then again I'm going to use the art brush to make the eyelashes once again. I have zoomed out to see how it looks, and then next thing I'm going to make the eye ball. So I'm going to take a ellipse tool and I'm going to draw a circle. I have pressed shift and alt so that I can get a nice circle. Now I'm going to reduce the stroke by 0.25 so that I can see the inner area. I'm again going to make a circle, another circle like this, and then I need to draw this white areas. So I'm just going to draw something like this. You have to draw exactly how it shows in the original MS. So this area have to be in white. I'm going to fill the color white, and then here I can see some white over here. I'm going to draw this into white, and then I can see white here also. So I'm going to draw this white area, and then I'm going to replace the color, interchange the color, stroke color into fill color, and then in the inner circle I am going to change into gray color, darker gray color, and I'll zoom out. Okay, not so clear. I think I need to do it again. So what I'm going to do is to increase the opacity of the background image a little bit more so that I can have a clear view. Yeah. So now I'm going to make the white areas. I'm going to remove the stroke. Yep, this has to be in white. I can see some white here. I can see some white here. And then this outer circle, I'm going to interchange it. These whites are too white. I'm going to change it to gray color, or maybe more lighter version of gray. I'll zoom out to see how it looks. Yep, it looks better, but I think we need to increase the gray a little bit more. I am going to change this gray into a darker gray, and then one shape I'm going to change it to white. I think gray is better. I'm going to move the image aside and see how it looks now. So see, the one eye is almost ready.